Imagine a future where mining is seamlessly connected, where operations are fully autonomous, and where data analytics optimizes every element of the supply chain, from pit to port. Globally, leaders in the mining industry are already beginning to make this vision a reality, leveraging cutting-edge technologies to transform traditional mining processes. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and I'm thrilled to invite you to our third Digital Mines Conference. The theme is building fully autonomous mines from pit to port. This groundbreaking event is set to take place this coming April in Perth, Australia. This three-day conference is a call to action for mining innovators, visionaries, and changemakers who are committed to shaping the future of mining in the digital age. You'll have the unparalleled opportunity to hear from leading experts in the field. Immerse yourself in hands-on Australian and international case studies and participate in pivotal conversations on the most urgent issues facing digital transformation in mining. From autonomous rail and robotics to intelligent analytics and supply chain optimization. This conference will span the full breadth of technological advancements, and it'll revolutionize the mining industry. Whether you're involved in exploration, production, operations, or transportation, you'll find tailored insights that can help you steer your digital transformation journey. This is your chance to be part of an event that will redefine the way we mine and move resources. Join us at the third Digital Mines Conference and get ready to be inspired, challenged, and empowered as we build the autonomous mines of the future together. Register now and take an active role in shaping the future of mining with us.